Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is T-Mike here in South Louisiana making another video today. Today's video is on a restore I've been working on for about a month now. It is restore number 107. It's a 1958 10 horsepower QD18 for Chris. I had problems with the power head, throwing a rod, and with the gear case blowing out on me, so I had to take another motor and strip it down and get the power head and gear case off of it. But I got it done. Got her all cleaned up here, ready for assembly. Got all the nuts and bolts cleaned and aligned with the springs, spark plugs, steering handle, brackets, throttle pinion gears, handle. Got the air breather, silencer, all the gear and shafts, carburetor rebuilt, power head's good now, tested. Ignition magneto rebuild, coils, points and condensers, rewind starter, new rope and handle, new seals and power tested, new water pump, impeller, cleaned and painted every part of this baby. Got decals sitting right there ready for the hood. That'll be the next step. So once again, I love this part of the restoration when everything is lined up and I can put it together. Stay tuned for the next video that'll show her all together. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.